and I'm the energy manager for Woodford County Schools, okay? I was just in this next class, and everybody was asleep. Sounds like this class woke up and they're alert, and I think I'm going to get some discussion. But the last class, they were all asleep, okay? Good job, okay? But what I'm here for, I want to talk to you about energy. And I want to ask you help to save energy, okay? Not only at home, but at school, both places. Because, you know, once you get your culture and you change your habits, it'll be similar both places, okay? Now, let me tell you what we use here in Woodford County. We use the Energy Star Portfolio Manager as a rating system. What that means is we have a rating from 0 to 100, okay? And wherever your rating is, that means you're better than that percentage of schools in the United States, similar schools, like high schools, okay? When we started a year ago, this school was 39, okay? That's almost in the bottom third. That's not very good. Now, you guys are smart students. You've been in the top of the Central Kentucky as far as test scores for the last, I don't know how many years, but several years. So this is a bright group. And it's kind of embarrassing to have your school in the bottom third, right? Okay? So you guys have come a long way from last year, all right? Now you're at 50%, okay, and climbing. Now, what's your goal? You want to get as high as you can, but what we want to do is get to 75%. Because if you get to 75%, which means you're in the top 25% of the schools in the nation, you get Energy Star. That's a big deal, okay? Now, in Woodford County, did any of you go to Huntertown Elementary? Okay. Huntertown Elementary was renovated in 2008. In 2009, they got Energy Star, okay? So far, that's the only school in the Woodford County School District's Energy Star. How many of you went to Simmons Elementary? A few of you, okay? Now, they were renovated in 2004, but they still haven't got Energy Star. Right now, their rating is 74. They're 1 point away, and I expect them to get it in the next month or two, okay? Now, this school is 50. You say, well, we're only 50. There's no way we're going to get to 50, or from 50 to 75. I'll tell you, that's not true. I work with another district. We had a school that started at 23. In about 3 years, they got above 75, and they're now Energy Star. So it can happen with everybody working together. And it takes everybody, not just 1 or 2 people, but everybody in the whole school, okay? So what I want to do is ask you some basic questions about what you guys can do to save energy. All right? So what can you do? This is the audience participation, okay? Tell me what you can do to save energy. Anybody?
Turn off the lights?
Yes, turn off the lights. Absolutely. Excellent. That's a very good one. That's the #2 use of energy at school and also at home. So you can turn off the lights. Yes?
Turn down the air conditioner.
Okay. This is a smart group. That's #1, okay? We're going to say it's HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. It represents over half the energy use in any school or at home, as a matter of fact, okay? So that's a very good answer. But so what can you do in relation to the lights? You can turn off the lights when you leave the room. Don't turn them on unless you need them, those type of things. What can you do as far as HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning? What kind of things can you do? No, you don't want to open the windows. If you open the windows, we want you to turn your thermostat off and turn the systems off. But if you open the windows or you open the doors, all you're doing is trying to condition the great outdoors, which is impossible.
You can close the doors and windows and then
close
turn
the
it
doors
off
and
after
windows.
a
Now
while.
at home, there's 2 different sides of this thing. At home, if your parents tell you turn off the systems, turn them down, you can open the doors and windows, and it's free. And that's absolutely the right answer. So you can do that at home. But at school, you can't do that unless you turn your system off. If you turn your units off, shut the door, open the windows, you can get some free energy. But in most cases, you don't do that. You leave the systems running because we want it to be nice and comfortable for you. We don't want it to be too hot. We don't want it to be too cool. We want it to be just right for you guys. Because you're here to learn. That's what you're here for. So we don't want to upset your environment. We want it to be very good for you. But we want to eliminate waste, okay? So, that's the key thing. We want to eliminate waste, okay? So you guys are really sharp. Lighting, #1, HVAC, lighting #2, HVAC #1. There's a lot of other things, computers, all kinds of stuff that's plugged in the wall, make sure those are all, but those are minor compared to those first 2, okay? So can I ask for everybody's help on this effort? Can I see us all hands? Everybody on the team, can we count on you? Let me see your hands. Come on. Let's get on the team, guys. Woo! All right, okay, come on, let's go. All right, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.